Hello, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company. If you do find any of these videos interesting, please give it a thumbs up, and more so subscribe. Hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos, and I'll be really grateful for that. Now, this is a little project that my friend has asked me to do for her. It's a post box, and she'd like me to put it together for her. The instructions isn't very good. So what I did, just to plan it out, I put it together and taped it temporarily, just to make sure that I'll put the pieces correctly. So I'm going to start with the bottom piece. So this is how it is. It's awkward. I'm going to plug in my hot glue gun. So that's all plugged in, my new hot glue gun. So happy with that. And I'm just going to take these tapes off and see if I could start from the bottom. I'll just glue it together like that. I left it overnight to dry, and I've taken off all the tape that I had around it just to keep it secure. I'm now going to just put the front on. I'll put the front on, and that'll be that. And then you just put the lid on, but the lid, you don't glue that because it's to open to take out whatever's been posted in the post box. So I'm just going to put a little bit of glue on it while my hot glue gun warms up. I'll just put a dab there, dab there. And I'll just put some here. Put a little bit there as well. And put that on. There you go. That's on. Where is that, the hot glue pen? Hot glue there. I'll just pick off some of this hot glue. There we have it. I'll just put a little bit of hot glue on this as well. We'll put that there. Let's just pick off this bit of hot glue. Okay. Just put a bit of hot glue on here on the corner. And set that in there. And leave that to dry now. And it's all done. The cover will go on here. Just put it into the hinges and like that. All done. There's the post box. And she's going to paint it and